This video is about how to set a keyboard shortcut for Nemo File Manager to open a terminal in active folder. So I want to achieve the following behavior. For example, I am opening some project, I press a hotkey F3 for example, and I've got the current directory opened in the terminal. It's a GNOME terminal, the default Linux Mint terminal, but it can be Alacrity, Kitty, and so on and so on. And to get this set up, I need to create in my home directory Ctrl-H to show hidden files, or right-click, show hidden files. And I'm creating in the home directory a new directory. It's a hidden directory. .gnome2. Inside it, I'm creating a new one, excels, and here in the excels directory I'm creating a new file, the Nemo. It should be empty. And now I have to restart Cinnamon, Ctrl-Alt-Backspace or through the main menu. It restarted, and let's open the Nemo file, gnome2 excels Nemo. And we can see that it was filled with default Nemo preferences. And now we can find here the open in terminal and set a hotkey for it. I prefer to use F3. And I need to uncomment this. F3 key is binded by show hide extra pane. I use F4 for it. Save. Restart Nemo. F3 doesn't work, and so I need to restart Cinnamon again. It restarted, and let's open some directory, any directory you want, and I press F3, and I've got the current folder opened in terminal. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.